Feeling tired, bloated, or struggling with dull skin? It might not be stress, it could be toxins in your body. But don't worry, you can naturally detox in just 7 days without extreme diets or expensive cleanses. Stay with me to learn how. Your liver, kidneys, and gut naturally detox your body. But modern lifestyles, processed foods, pollution, and stress overload your system, causing fatigue, weight gain, and digestion issues. With a few simple changes, you can reset your body, regain energy, and feel amazing in just 1 week. Well, in this video, I'll walk you through a science-backed 7-day detox plan that works, from the best detox drink to must-avoid toxic foods, plus the #1 detox mistake. This is everything you need to know. Let's get started. 7-day detox plan. Step 1. Detox water. Start your day with warm water, lemon, and ginger. This simple detox drink flushes toxins, boosts metabolism, and improves digestion. Step 2. Avoid sugar and processed foods. Cut out sugar and processed foods. They overload your liver and cause bloating. Stick to whole, natural foods like fruits, veggies, and lean proteins. Step 3. Eat fiber-rich foods. Fiber helps remove toxins. Eat leafy greens, chia seeds, and berries to support digestion and keep your gut healthy. Step 4. Stay hydrated. Water is key. Drink at least 8 to 10 glasses daily to help your body flush out toxins efficiently. Step 5. Exercise and sweat. Sweating helps detox. Whether it's yoga, walking, or a gym workout, movement boosts your health and removes toxins. Step 6. Get enough sleep. Sleep is essential for detox. Your body repairs and removes toxins while you rest. So aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep. And that's it. A simple, science-backed detox plan to help you feel lighter, healthier, and energized. Follow these steps, and your body will naturally reset. Which detox tip are you trying first? Lemon water, more fiber, cutting sugar? Comment below. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more health tips. Don't miss my other powerful health videos. Click the screen now. See you next time. Stay healthy, stay happy.